Quick unboxing of my new Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide. Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Wow. Oh, I didn't see that. Wowza, welcome. Okay. Yeah. And let's go to the Buds 4 Pro earbuds. Let's see how that looks like. Holy moly. Wow, sir. Gonna pick that up later on. This is the Buds 3 Pro, Buds 3 Pro and the Buds 4. I think I'm liking the new design better than the previous design. Yeah. All black, matte black. All black, matte black. And this makes plenty of sense for me. And now let's compare this with the booklet, the passport booklet, and see if it's the same size.